What if I told you that you can build, train, and test a real robotics AI agent today without buying a robot, without expensive hardware, and without a powerful computer? In this session, you are going to see how modern robotics plus machine learning has completely changed and how you can enter this field from absolute zero. By the end of this presentation, you will clearly understand how robots learn, how agents are trained, and how you can move from beginner to creator. If that excites you, stay till the end. I will also tell you how to join my one-on-one mentorship and AI and robotics internship. This slide sets the tone. Robotics is no longer locked inside expensive labs. Today, with tools like LeRobot and Google Colab, you can go from zero to a working robot simulation using just a browser. No hardware, no installation nightmares, just learning by doing. This is where robotics journey truly begins. LeRobot is an open source project designed to make robotics machine learning accessible. Think of it as a bridge between datasets, machine learning models, and robotic simulations. You don't need to reinvent the wheel. You start with pre-trained models, real datasets, and industry-grade tools. This is exactly how professionals learn, by building on strong foundations. This phase removes fear. You activate a free GPU, clone the project, and install dependencies all inside Google Colab. Notice something important here. Environments are temporary. This teaches you a real industry lesson. Reproducibility matters. Robotics ML is as much about discipline as it is about intelligence. Now comes the magic moment. With a single command, you deploy a pre-trained diffusion policy agent. This robot already knows how to perform a task, pushing a block to a target. You are not guessing, you are observing intelligent behavior in action. This instantly builds confidence. This slide teaches how to read intelligence. Observations are what the robot sees. Actions are what the robot does. Rewards tell you how well it's doing. If you can read logs like this, you are already thinking like an ML engineer. Here is proof. LeRobot records a video of the robot performing task. You're not trusting theory, you are seeing behavior. This is extremely important in robotics, visual validation. Now we start experimenting. You replace one policy with another. Diffusion policy versus VQBET or VQBet. Same environment, same task, different intelligence. This is how researchers compare models in real world. Curiosity is your most powerful tool here. This is where you stop being a user and become a creator. You train your own model from scratch using real robotics data. Training takes time, and that is intentional. Machine learning rewards patience, not shortcuts. Loss going down is learning happening. This curve tells a story, confusion to clarity. If you understand this slide, you understand the heart of ML. Every great AI system starts here. Now you evaluate your own model, same test but new brain. This teaches accountability. You must measure what you build. Engineering is not about hope, it is about results. This slide is emotional. Failure is expected. Your model is weaker because it has less data and compute. This teaches a deep truth. Scale matters in AI. Every researcher sees this. You are walking the same path. Models don't learn intelligence, they absorb experience, episodes, frames, camera views. This is robotic memory. If you master data, you master AI. This slide separates hobbies from professionals. Numbers don't tell the full story. Visualization shows intention, hesitation, correction. This is how you understand behavior, not just metrics. Great robotics always visualize. This is not the end. Advanced tasks, new dataset, better models. The learning curve never flattens, it expands. The question is not, can you learn robotics? Question is, how far do you want to go? The power of modern robotics is at your fingertips. Once this required labs and millions of dollars. Today it requires curiosity, discipline, and the right guidance. In the next video, we will do this hands-on, step by step, using Google Colab. If you want personalized guidance, real-world projects, and structured growth, I offer one-on-one mentorship in AI and robotics and a hands-on internship program where You build real systems, not just watch videos. This is ideal for students, professionals, and serious learners. Details are in the description. Limited seats. If this session helped you, hit like. If you know someone who wants to enter AI or robotics, share this. And comment below, where are you starting from? Beginner, intermediate, or builder? I read every comment. Robotics is no longer the future, it is the present. And you have just taken your first real step. See you in the next session where we go deeper. But remember, we also build actual robots. We have our own electronics lab where we side by side, we will build real robots while we teach you how simulated robotics work. See you in the next video. Bye-bye. Struggling with tech? Stop wasting time guessing. Mentor Expert gives you direct one-to-one guidance to learn faster, build smarter, and solve problems instantly. Your personal tech mentor is one session away.